Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Nur Alifa Wayun Husain. Can you call me Yuyun? I am from Bolmut, Sulawesi Utara, and I am 21 years old. I was a student of the Manado City Institute Islamic Religion, the Faculty Tarbiyah from English Education Department and third semester. So I want discuss my material, definite and indefinite article. In English there are three articles, a, and the. Articles are used before nouns. Equivalents are type of adjective. The definite article that is used before a noun to indicate the identity of the noun is known to the reader. The indefinite article an is used before a noun that in general or when is identified is not noun. There are certain situations in which noun takes no article. As a judge, the following definition and table summarizes the basic use of article. Continue reading for a more detailed explanation of the rules and, for example, of how and when to apply them. Before a singular noun beginning with a consonant sound. For the purpose of understanding how articles are used, it is important to know that nouns can be either count or non-sound, indefinite in quality, and cannot be count. In addition, count nouns are either singular, one or plural. More than one non-sound nouns are always in singular form. For example, if we are speaking of water that has been spilled on the table, there can be one drop, singular, or two or more drops, plural, of water on the table. The word drop in this example is count not noun because we can count the number of drops. Therefore, according to the rulers applying to count nouns, the word drop will use the article or them. However, if we are speaking of water in general spilled on the table, it would not be appropriate to count one water or two water. The would simply be water on the table. Water is a noun, therefore, according to the rulers applying to noun, the word water would use no article or the but, not a. Following are the specific rules which explain to us of definite and indefinite articles. Specific identity, not noun. Use the indefinite article or and only with a singular count. Noun was specific identity is not known to the reader. Use before nouns that begin with a consonant sound and before nouns that begin with a vowel sound. Use the number 1. Use the article a or and to indicate any non-specific member of a group or category. I think an animal is the cat. That man is a scoundrel. We are looking for an apartment. Number 2, use the article a or an to indicate one in number as opposed to more than one. Number 3, use the article before consonant sound and use an before a vowel sound. Number 4, a boy and apple. All things or things in general use no article with plural pronouns or any non-sound nouns used to mean all or in general. Number 1, trees are beautiful in the fall, or trees are beautiful in the fall. He was asking for advice. He was asking for advice in general. I do not like coffee. I do not like all coffee in general.